MetaGrid Pro makes it easy to backup, move, and share your setups. You can export and import your entire database, profiles, workspaces, grids, color palettes, and even single objects like buttons, faders, or gesture pads using Dropbox, iCloud Drive, or the native Share menu. Start with backups. In Settings, go to Backup and Restore. Enter a file name, add today's date if you like, and tap Backup. Choose iCloud, Dropbox, or Share, and MetaGrid Pro saves everything: profiles, workspaces, scenes, grids, and palettes. The file will be stored in the Backups folder created automatically on iCloud Drive or Dropbox. Restoring works the same way. Tap Restore, pick the location, and choose the file. Backing up or restoring may take some time depending on the size of your database. To keep you safe, MetaGrid Pro includes a backup assistant. Set how often you'd like reminders, and MetaGrid Pro will let you know when it's time to back up your data. Exporting a profile is just as simple. In the Content Manager, tap Export in the Profiles area and select the destination. You can also change the file name. Tap Continue, and the profile file will be saved in the Profiles folder in your chosen location. To import, tap Import, choose the file, and confirm. The installer shows a quick summary where you can rename the profile before installing. Workspaces work the same way. And when importing, you can rename the workspace and assign it to the right profile. Grids can also be exported and imported with previews before installation. You can rename the grid, assign it to a profile and workspace, and even create a new scene automatically. Need to move a grid instantly between devices? Use Grid Sync. Assign each device a controller ID in Settings, MetaServer. On your Mac, open the Grid selector, tap Grid Sync, and choose the destination. The grid appears on your other device, ready to install. You can also share individual objects, like buttons, faders, and gesture pads. In Edit mode, select the object, tap Export, and choose a channel. To import, select the target object, tap Import, and pick the file. And finally, the Share option. With AirDrop, Mail, or Messages, you can send MetaGrid Pro content directly. From your iPad, choose Export and select Share. From your Mac, use the native Share menu. On iPad, tap Open in MetaGrid Pro. You can install right away or save it for later. The new transfer system makes moving, backing up, and sharing content not only faster and more reliable, but also easier than ever.